Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm showing you how to create a Zap-Hosting account, earn €3 for free, and get an MTA.SA server for just €2. Plus I've got a promo code that'll save you money every time you shop on the site. Let's get right into it. Step 1. Go to Zap-Hosting, head over to Zap-Hosting.com. It's a top platform for hosting FiveM, Minecraft, MTA, SA, and more. Super reliable and fast setup. Step 2. Register for a free account. Click register, fill in your email, username, password, and boom, you're in. Just make sure to confirm your email address to activate the account. Now here's something important. Wait 12 hours. Yep, you need to wait 12 hours after signing up before you can earn free credits. This keeps things fair for real users. Step 3. Earn up to €3 for free. Once your 12 hours are up, log in and head to the Earn Credit section in your dashboard. You'll see easy tasks like joining their Discord or following on social media, and these give you free Zap credit. Complete a few and you can earn up to €3. No payment needed. Step 4. Want MTA SA for just €2? Use this link, zaphosting.com/forsatek. This gives you the lowest price on MTA SA servers, and if you use the credit you earned, you'll only pay around €2 total. Easy win. Step 5. Use my promo code at checkout, enter ForSatek 1717. This promo code saves you money every single time you shop. Not just once, every time. And that's it. You've got your account, free credit, a cheap MTA.SA server, and a discount code for life. If this helped you, drop a comment, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips like this. See you in the next one.